Yes.
Hi, I'm Jello, and this is... Yes! We're climbing on a tree on a Kailadne Resort.
Yes.
Okay?
A big tree. It's the first time a human will
Double fish.
drum roll priest. It's the first time Jello will attempt to climb a big tree like this.
So kids, don't do this at home. Only outside.
Ang ina mo mama. Pag ikaw nabalian dyan.
Okay.
Okay. I'm starting to get scared. It's scary up here. It's really high. This tree has been around for 3 million years. And it's mabaho. I'm afraid. I'm very afraid.
Now I'm going down.
But I don't know how.
Please help me, call the police. Wala akong... Hinahanap ako.
We are scared. Mama, help us.
Catch me, ma'am, and...
Catch me.
Very big.
Catch me, mama. Very big. We are wanted. Because you know, we are enjoyable people. We are wanted everywhere.
And I'm going down, catch me.
We're king. Oh, this is virtuous and dangerous. We're adventurous and we like to have fun. We're not.
See you around.